Hey, I'm Martin, and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. And today I want to dive right into a topic that's become crucial for the future of our industry, and that's sustainability in manufacturing. Because with growing environmental concerns and stricter regulations, manufacturers are now looking for innovative ways to reduce their carbon footprint, minimize waste, and enhance overall efficiency. But adopting sustainable practices isn't just good for the planet, it can also be great for long-term economic benefits. So let's explore three simple but effective ways to boost sustainability in manufacturing. First up, let's talk about optimizing energy usage. So you could start by conducting regular energy audits to identify areas of high consumption and potential energy savings. And then by implementing energy efficiency lighting, heating, and cooling systems, you can significantly cut down on energy usage. And then another great step is investing in renewable energy sources like solar or wind power. This reduces our dependency on fossil fuels and it also cuts down on our greenhouse gas emissions. Next, let's look at how reducing waste through lean manufacturing. Because adopting lean manufacturing principles can help streamline production processes, can reduce waste, and it can improve efficiency. And techniques like just-in-time production, it ensures materials are used only when needed, and that minimizes any excess production. And furthermore, implementing recycling programs for scrap materials and encouraging the reuse of byproducts can lead to significant cost savings and environmental benefits. And finally, let's take a look at the role of digital manufacturing systems in promoting sustainability. Because a manufacturing execution system, like Taskus from Metis Automation, provides real-time monitoring and control of your production processes. And this can lead to optimized resource usage, reduce waste, and improve quality control. MES systems collect and analyze data across the manufacturing process and identify inefficiencies and areas for improvement. Then by leveraging this data, manufacturers can make informed decisions that can then enhance sustainability. So improving sustainability in manufacturing is a journey that requires commitment and continuous improvement. By optimizing energy usage, reducing waste through lean manufacturing, and implementing advanced systems like MES, we can make significant strides towards a more sustainable future. Because embracing these practices, it not only benefits the environment, but it also drives efficiency, reduces costs, and enhances the overall competitiveness of our businesses. So thank you for watching. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article over on our blog. There you'll find more insights and valuable content that will fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.